what is the path? In sys, what is the path? How I'm accessing? Sys dot, what I'm accessing? Path. Sys dot what? Path. What is sys? What is the path? If I write like that, that is the function. Modubavalu, you're all called Modubavalu. Stop. All of you stop it. Don't know anything. So come to the point. Here, yesterday's class, I said, go to the place. I said, here, maths info dot what? PI. What is maths info? Module. What is PI? Huh? Huh? Global variable. Modubavalu, don't know anything, not reading anything and coming to the class. Here you see, PI and ER called what? Global variables. Maths info dot what? PI. What is maths info? What is the PI? Then why you are saying function? X, Y, Z, Hyderabad, Bangalore, etc. What is that? Waste answers. What is the maths info? What is the PI? What is? I said import what? Sys. In place of sys, what is there? What is maths info? What is the sys? I said what? Sys dot what? Path. Sys maths info dot what? PI. What is the PI? What is the path of each module? That's all. Function. Z, Hyderabad. What is this? Simply wrong answers. Everything went off wrong. Look at what is the path? Every variable in Python is what? Huh? Every variable in Python is what? Object. Every variable in Python is what? Object. Every object behind who is there? Class. What is the class of PI? Class of PI. Class of PI. Waste. Going waste. Class of PI. Class of PI. Float. Shruti. Good. Very good student. PI is what? Float value, that is. Miranta international batch. PI 3.14. What is the type? Float. What is E? Every global variable in Python. Object, every object will have. What is the class of E? Float. What is sys? What is path? Every global variable in Python. Every object will have a class or not? What is the class of path I am going to show? How do you find that? Print off, type of sys dot path. Sys dot path. Sys dot path. Path is an object of list. Path is an object of list. Created in which module? Sys module. See that. You will be getting, keep a comment, remove this entire thing. You will be getting, first you need to understand about list. List. What is sys module? What is the path? In which class? In which module? Sys module. Inside of that, what is the path? Global variable. Sys is a module. They return sys.py like maths info.py. Inside of that, path is equal to, they wrote as what? List of. What is the path? Of which type? Created in where? How to access? Sys.path. Sys. Right. List contains a lot of functions or not? Append, insert, copy, what do you call it now? Extend, clear, pop of index, remove. So many functions are there or not? How to access that list of functions? Path dot append, path dot insert, path dot delete, path dot copy, path dot pop off, path dot remove, path dot clear. So many things. So there I'm going to write it. Come on. Path dot append off, path dot append off, sys dot I need to say, sys dot path dot. What is that? Append. All functions are what functions? List functions only available. List functions. So path dot what? Append. You must specify what is our today's concentration. I want to access which module? Maths info. Of which module? HYD. Into where? Another folder. There I want to access. I should say what? Append dot. I need to pass absolute path of module. Absolute path of what? Folder. Absolute path of the folder or package where it contains module. Where it contains module. Absolute path means what? Like this. Suppose we are in India, and TS, Telangana state, and HYD, in that Amirpet, KVR, and that under that Python class we are in. This is called what? Complete absolute path of my class. Suppose you are there only in Hyderabad. Directly will go to where? Python class will go directly. So you need not to go for this entire path. This is known as complete path, we can call absolute path. This is called simply what? Relative path. By staying in Hyderabad, will you say which state you are staying? No. So you are in Amirpet. You are asked what, which locality you are staying, you will ask. Will you ask, are you staying in Hyderabad like that? No. By default, you are in current working place only. And you are asking locality, which place you will write it. Now I am going to write it what? absolute path. What is my path? What is my path you seeing? You must specify this entire path. Are you observing now? This entire thing you need to write it. From where I will take, sir? Go to this place, C colon, users, KVR, under that PyCharm projects. What is our place? 7 a.m. HYD. 7 a.m. HYD. Where is it? Simply HYD. Simply HYD. Here HYD. There's a AOP, KVR, and then match info. You take up that. You take this entire thing. Address is there, na? Copy that entire address. Then come to this place and write it inside of double quotes. Write inside of double quotes. Wrote it. I wrote it. Dear students, when you wrote like that, this is comes under absolute path we can call. When you wrote backslashes, users, you wrote it. Users. And next KVR, you wrote it. And like that, you wrote it. You know, in our Python, having backslash to one meaning is there or not? Backslash n is having some meaning or not? Like that, backslash u also having some meaning. So actually, user is called what? Folder name. But your PVM is taking as what? Backslash u meaning is taking. But actually, user is what? Folder name. But it is taking backslash u meaning. Is it giving wrong, problem or not? When I compile my program, when I execute my program, you are getting an error. What is this now? So this is going to give you a problem. Unicode value it is treating now. So to avoid this kind of errors, suppose for example, all of a sudden here NYD is there, NYD, backslash NYD. It will take backslash n meaning. But NYD is called what? Folder name. So I have to tell to PV, my Python environment, don't treat it as what? Backslash u, backslash n, something like that. You treat them as folders only. For that I need to write what? Double slashes you need to write it. Double slashes you need to write it. I hope you are following me. Double slashes I wrote it. You can also write, instead of writing double slashes, when I wrote like that, you got an error. You cancel that. But a slash is there, now you write in a reverse format, you write it. Reverse, you write it. Everything you write reverse. First you attempt this. Now HYD. Now what PVM will do? It will go to what? It will go to where? It will go to where? HYD. In the HYD, what is already there? Match info. Now you import. From where? Match info. Import PI. And then what? E. You write it. Now print that. Print of, what is this now? Value of PI is equal to, comma what? PI. Go to the next place. Print of value of E is equal to, comma what? E. You try to run this now, you'll get perfect answer. I don't think, sir, red underline is there, maybe error is coming. Don't think that, you will be getting it. Why this red underline is there? PyCharm doesn't contain the knowledge about this match info. Where PyCharm never look for this type of folder. Because this is only the reference for what? PVM. Not for PyCharm related things. PyCharm knows only what? Python modules. Predefined modules. Run this output will come. Perfect output is there or not? Perfect output is coming. Are you able to follow? The beauty behind this concept is what? sys.path.append. Actually, I took a lot of time. So here it is an error again. Error is coming or not? So I am resolving that by going forward. sys.path.append. Execute it. I got this. Are you following me? So this example, I will go to where? Edit plus I will go. I will go to this place. Now I am writing here. Others and saying Python here. Now I am pasting it. Go to this now. Here I am writing. What is my example here? Pack demo 1.py. Where I am going to available here? Go to this place. Here I am going to take it. E column 7 a.m. I am going to create packages. Inside the packages, I am saving my program. Pack demo.py. Go to this place. Command prompt. I am entering into different environment. I am entering. Run as an administrator. E column. Say this. KVR. Python 7 a.m. CD packages. Now see py. Now my program name is not. What is an error? Module not found error. Where is the match info? It was there in PyCharm, but where I am using in different place I am using it. Are you able to follow now? How do you do this now? Coming to this place. Come on, start with from. So import. Come on. Sys. What is this now? Sys dot path dot append of. I need to pass what? Absolute address of what? This module. In which package it is present? I am writing. So I will carry that. Already this is available or not? This I will write it. Here I am writing it. Are you following? Now I am writing what? Slashes. I think you are following. Done. And here also I will write this. Backslash u is going to give you what? Unicode escape character representation it is used. That to avoid that, to make it as our own folder, absolute path environment, I'll take like this. Execute. See this now. Execute. We got an output or not? Understand? Simple. See students, suppose, for example, you have written up to where? PyCharm projects. What is the PyCharm projects? It's a folder. In that folder, what is the another folder? HYD. What you will write here? From HYD data. What is that? Match info. What is HYD? Folder name. Present in where? What is match info? What is HYD? Package name. Folder name. It is not a package only. What is the PI and E? Simple. So run this. So no module named HYD. Okay. So here I will write it HYD. HYD. So getting the answer or not? Perfect. NumPy dot random. NumPy dot random. Here, what is that? HYD dot match info. Import what? PI and what? E. Are you able to get it? Easy or difficult? Simple. So you can also write it as what? From HYD. Import what? Match info. Match info. As what? MI. MI. What will write it? MI dot PI. And next is what? MI dot what? E. E. Execute. Got the answer. Once your hairstyle is good, you can comb anyway. If no hairstyle, ring road, bypass road only. That's why subject is superpower. That's why you have to enjoy. Are you able to follow? So, students, first take this way. First take this way. This is called one thing. You got an answer. Next, another way. Both these things to do, you people. So here, I'll take up. What is this now? What is this now? HYD dot HYD dot what? Maths info. This is called a 2.py. Before that, what I should write it here? HYD, I must write it. This is one thing, you keep it. Up to PyCharm projects, HYD dot. This is called 2.py. You got an answer. Yes, you got an answer. One more thing is called what here? Go to the new one, because this knowledge is extraordinary that you will get it. Come on, from HYD. Come on, import from HYD. Import what? Maths info as what? MI. MI. How do I write it? MI dot. What is this now? That's all. That's all. It is called what? 3.py. 3.p1. So try to run it. So see this now. Pack demo 1, pack demo 2, pack demo 2, pack demo 3, pack demo 3, like this. 3 different hairstyles, 3 different fashions. Really same hairstyle, not correct. Are you following? Done. Easy or difficult? Easy or difficult? Easy. Now I will use same thing in where online students. Are you comfortable? Everybody need to respond. Everybody need to respond. So go to my dear students. Now I'm going to this place. Where I'm going? Python environment I'm going. Python environment. Come on, run as administrator. Come on, tell me. From maths info, import what? PI and what? E. Error. What is maths info? In PyCharm I created, but where I'm using? In different environment I'm using. It is looking in where? My PVM is searching in where? In where? First of all, in this case of Python command prompt, it is first looking in where? Python software. Is maths info is there in Python software? No. It is searching in where? Environmental variable. Definitely it is not there, because it doesn't have any direct creation or something. It will create in these 2 places. These 2 places doesn't contain immediately error. Now I will say what? Come on, import sys. Come on, sys dot path dot append of. I will write that address. What is that address? Go to the place. See, my dear students, this address you carry. This I'm going to write it. What a beautiful subject. There I'm writing. This one, I'll write reverse. I'll write reverse. Today I'm writing reverse. And don't ask me, sir, something I will reverse, something I'll write a double slashes. Don't do that. Either you eat breakfast or you eat lunch or dinner. Don't mix and eat everything. Digestion problem will come. Your digestive system is having some syntax. This to eat, this to not to eat. Understand? So this I'm using it. So see, students, come on now. From maths info, import what? Star. Import star. Import star. Come on. Print of what? PI. Import what? E. E. Excellent. Import what? Math. How predefined is working? Mine is also working like that. Math dot what? Print of what? Math dot what? PI, which is having its own value. I'm having my own value. Mine is also working like what? Predefined library. How do you develop your own library? By using what? Packages. How my online students will use my package? How online students will use my package? Simple. I will go to where? I'll go to my place and I want to give to online students today. For that, what they will do? They'll go to where? I will go to where first? C colon, users, KVR, PyCharm projects. Go to where? HYD is there now. HYD. That HYD I will go for generating zip file. Zip file I will generate. Whenever I download, I'm getting in downloads option that thing is coming or not. They will be going for. I will be doing what? The zip. I'll go to compress to what? Zip file. Zip file I will take it. So when I say zip file, it is coming zip file. Are you seeing this now? Zip file, are you seeing in the bottom one? That zip file, I'll keep it in where? Google Drive. They will download and they will extract and they will get the maths info, that kind of thing. They will do what? Sys.path.append to the folder what I am giving. They will set the path and they will use maths info, etc. Are you following me? Good. Not only that, I'm using what also? AOP functions also there or not? Come on, sum OP of 1020. Answer is coming. Sum OP, okay. So here, maths info only I said. Maths info only. It is present in where? AOP. Come on. From AOP, import sum OP as what? SP. Sub OP as what? Something like a MP. Something like what? Something like what? M. Come on, MULOP as what? MULOP as MP. Hmm? Sub OP as okay. Sub OP as M. S. Done. Anything. SP of what? 10, 20. What a beautiful subject. Next is called what? M of what? Minus 3, comma 4. Beautiful subject. MP of what? 4, comma minus 5. Super. Where I defined it, where I'm using it. Is it not called development of our own library? Where I'm reusing, across the environments I'm reusing. Are you following me? Right. Usha, why reverse not like that? Reverse way is also using one more way. With the technique. Why sunrises in east? Because certain questions are very difficult for me. Certain questions are difficult. That is not a subject actually. OS related notations they are. Why mango is sweet? Not very difficult. So what is sys.path.append? If you ask, I will tell. What is sys module? What is the path? Global variable, object, list type. What is append?
Hey developers, join us for the biggest AI competition with over $10,000 in cash prizes. Yep, that's right, over $10,000 in cash prizes where you can showcase your skills and creativity. Join us on Langflow, the easiest visual builder for AI applications. This is your chance to
absolute address of my module where it is present in the package. What is the dot? If you ask that also, it is called what? Accessor operator. Sir, why double slashes? I also said the answer. What is the answer? To ignore the single slash with the existing meaning, I'm using what? Double slashes. Reverse slash. What is the alternative for that? Alternative for double slashes is reverse slash. So why reverse slash means what can I say? Double slashes is for what? To ignore the single slash. Reverse slash is alternative to that environment. Okay, now fine. Go to where? Ideally. Go to ideally. Go to ideally. Python here. Ideally. Come on here from maths info. Maths info. Maths info. Import star. Import what? AOP. AOP has AP. Error. Then start. From sys. Import path. You know, different hairstyles. Come on. Path dot append of that address. That address. That address. You want to use as this, you will get error. So like this, I will use it. Like this, I'm using. Very, very easy. Dead easy. So like this. Okay, beautiful. Path dot only I'm using. Come on now. Come on faster. From maths, from AOP, AP. So, oh, beautiful subject. AP dot sum OP of 100 comma 200. Beautiful answer. So now AP dot MLOP 4 comma 5. Beautiful answer. Are you following me? So PI error. Why? I need to import. Come on. From maths info, import star. Okay, no problem. PI got an answer. E got an answer. Easy or difficult? Easy. Maul easy, dead easy that is. Now close. Close. When I come to once again to where? When I come to once again to which place? To which place? Python command prompt when I come once again. What is happening? I'll say once again from where? From maths info, import what? Star. Again it gives error. What it indicates? Whenever I come, I have to use sys.path.append. Sys.path.append. I'm using multiple times sys.path.append or not? Is it not my waste of time or not? What I want to do? One time setting, everywhere else using. Correct? One time setting, everywhere else using. Are you following me? Once again, I'm saying one time setting, everywhere else using. That one time setting is called what? Environmental variable. What is environmental variable? Environmental variable is one of the reserved word concept of operating system. Environmental variables of operating system provides global information to all the programs from operating system side. So I will tell to OS. I'm giving one path to you people, to OS I'm giving, whichever my Python program are using into my laptop, that information you provide to every program. They need not to do what? Sys.path. What? Append every time they need not to use it. Are you following me? Now, how other student can access my thing? I will keep that zip file in where? Google Classroom Drive. They will download it. They will extract it. They will keep the folder in C drive, D drive, etc. When they are using import that module name what I developed in the class, they will set what? Sys.path.append. What you downloaded, the path is there or not? That absolute path, you will paste it over there. How I used it. Are you getting me? So I'm going to tell you what? One time setting, many times using. Go to my programs once again. This is my programs I am going. Here I don't write it. Here today I will remove. Today I will remove. Execute your command prompt. Which program I removed? Demo. Demo 2 also I will remove. Demo 3 you say. Demo 3. Error came or not? Demo 2. Not answer. Demo 1. Got an answer. Demo 1 got an answer. There also I will remove. There also I will remove. I'm removing. Removed. So save it. So demo 1 also remove. Remove. What you will do? You execute all those things. Error. 2. Error. Then what to do? One time setting. Go to PyCharm. Go to PyCharm. Remove. Remove. Error. Remove. Error. Got all these things. So what I'll do, one time setting, where by operating system environmental variable. Now I'm telling about this environment concept. See, by using sys.path.append, now I'm going to use what? Python path environmental variable. This is a reserved for operating system to supply the packages information to our programs or projects. So I'll go to where? Environmental variables. Start button. Now I'll go for what? Control panel, you know. In the control panel, you will find environmental variables, or you search here only. Environmental variables. You just type it. Environmental variables here. Edit environmental variables in control panel. Just click on that. You will be getting the system properties. Everybody need to follow system properties. Click on where? Environmental variable. There are two things are there. User variables of KVR and system variables. User variables of KVR is visible to the KVR logged person only. If any other person is logged in here, that variables will be not showing. KVR variables will not be showing to the other person. But system variables will be shown to KVR, XYZ, PQR. Every person can be usable. Are you following me? Understand? So let us go to that. After that, once again, I'm showing environmental variables. Choose what? User variables of KVR. Click on where? New. Click on new. Yes, new. What I should type it? Python path. Python path. Exactly like that. Without space, capital letters. I need to get it what? That address. What you have. Python projects. Under that what? HYD. That address you need to take. Which address? Package address. There also you need to write what? Double slashes for your safety purpose. Double slashes. I think you're following. Say okay. Are you following me? Say okay. You are saying okay. Following students? After that, next, after saying okay, don't click on this. Say what next? Okay. Say okay. Second okay. After saying okay, another okay. Are you okay? Or not? Because you need to be okay first. Then it is done. All the students in online, are you okay? Online students, are you okay? Haripriya, okay, ma'am. Again, I will show you, definitely. But next part, I will show you again. Okay. Are you okay? Yes, you are okay. Go to command prompt. What is my program? Here. My program is what? Pack demo. Already my command prompt is opened or not? When it was opened, before I set the global variables. When I run my program pack demo 1, it will give you same error. Module not found error. So I need to do what? Come out. First come out. That is nothing but refreshing. Come out of this command prompt. Go once again. So that whenever I go once again, your operating system will provide the Python path information to the Python programmers. So execute KVR Python 7am CD. The topic name packages is my folder. In that I have 3 programs. This one I want to take up. Come on now. py packdemo1.py. See the beautiful output. Came or not? Here what is there? Here am I writing any sys.path.append here? Never. Working perfect. Go to the place. I was executed. Packdemo 2. No module named called what? HYD. This is the problem then. Go to the place. Here. This time it is a problem. Because I mentioned what? HYD there. In the address, I mentioned up to HYD. In the HYD is not there, no? Did you understand? So that you remove. From match info, important. Already HYD there. In HYD, no HYD, na? That's right. There, if I go for up to PyCharm projects, then you can write HYD here. Are you following? Yes. Go to that. You execute it. Got the answer. Go to PyCharm demo 3. 3 is there. This one you remove it from this place. And MI, no problem. This is important. Just import. Yes. You go to that. Execute. 3.py. Got output. Got it up. How many times we did? One time. Go to PyCharm. Already it is there. Once again, try to run it. See, this PyCharm was launched before I set the Python path environment variable. Run it. Module not found error. What I do? Exit. Come out of this. Came out. I will start once again. I will launch again. So, same window open. Will I show you now? Like pack demo 1. You run this. Now see here. Run this now. Execute. Got the output or not? Perfect output. Go to where you know.
Did you know that your internet connection can make you money? It's possible with Honeygame.
Ideally you go. Python environment you go. Python ideally. See, come on. From AOP, import what? Star. Perfect. Sum OP of 10, 20. Beautiful. Import match info as what? K.py. What a beautiful example. E. Done. Any difficulty? No difficulty. Next example. Another example. What is the next example? I want to create. One more folder I will create. What is another folder I'm creating? say, go to where? New project. What is my new project? I'm going to say bank, bank, say create. In this, say attach. Bank is a new one. There I'm going to take it what? New. What is this thing? ICICI dot what? PY. ICICI dot PY. Yesterday's code I will bring it. 7 a.m. modules. Haripriya, listen ma. I'm going to show once again for the people. Say here, open it. Say here. I'm going to carry this code. Carry this code. In this place, I'm going to carry. What is this ICICI? File name and what? Treated as what? Module name. Right? So this ICICI bank, this address, I will go to where? Environmental variable once again. Can I go? Well, go. So this place, where is that? C colon, where is that? Users, KVR, PyCharm projects. What is this now? Bangalore. Bank. This address, I will take it. Well, go to where? All the students in online, careful. Go to where? Start button. Say what? Environmental variable. Just if you type 1 or 2 lines, you will get it. Edit environmental variables. Online students, this one. Just you search for it. Go to the place. Once again, environmental variables. Edit. Environmental variables. Here. Already there is a Python path. Don't go for what? New. Second time you are going now. First time when you went, new. Second time you are going for what? Edit. Second time, edit. See that? When it is edited, already whatever is there, that is showing. Don't disturb the existing. New one, you place it. By going for semicolon, you put semicolon. You put it in where? One more. How it is bringing? Sys dot path dot append. First one, first value. Second one, second value. Comma values are treated as the values in the list. Are you saying? Haripriya, all the students, listen. Already there, semicolon. Say what again? Double slashes. Ucha. Double slashes. Are you following me? Say okay. Are you okay? Right. So you also need to say okay. Are you okay? Right. Go to where next step? Go to this place. I will write one main program here. What is the main program I'm writing? Here I'm writing new. I'm going to say others. Say Python. What is this now? Bank example dot py. Print off what? Bank name. Comma what? B name. It's an error. From where? ICICI. Import B name. Comma ADDR. Simple int. It's as SI. Right. Come on now. Print off what? Bank address. ADDR is equal to colon. What is this now? ADDR. And what is this now? SI. Say this now. Bank example dot py. Save it in this place only. Go there. See the students. Done. Go to this place. Here I'm going to enter into this place. Will it execute? Py. Bank example. Got error? You out of that. Come out of that. Go to the place. Here I'm writing CMD. See the students. Out of that. E colon KVR. And say Python. And say 7 a.m. And CD what? Packages. There you write it. Come on. Py. Done. 3056. Got a beautiful output. Is that difficult? Easy. Understood? Nice. So, third example I'll show you. Third. Yesterday, there was one thing called what? One more thing I said yesterday's class. What was that? CMA. In Edit Plus, I will create a package. I will use it in where? PyCharm. Go. Where I'm going to take a, in this place, 7 a.m., I'll create one folder. What is the folder I'm creating? See that? KVR. KVR is a folder. The folder. So, ROSM is the folder. ROSM is the folder. Inside the folder, what I will do? Yesterday's class, I said to you, modules concept. One thing you said. Figures program, I said, figures. Did you remember? Figures. This is the program. Here I will take it, Here I will take it. Go to the place. Here. What is that? That I will place it into. Okay, no issue. Go to that place. New. And say others. Python. Figures. I will save it. Where I am saving that? Where I am saving in 7 a.m. There is a folder name called what? ROSM. In that I am pasting. In that I am going to paste it. What is that file name? Figures.py. No empty file, nothing I am placing. No need to have an empty file. ROSM is called what? Package name. I am not keeping any empty file. Are you following, students? Go to that now. In this place, go to the place. Here I am going to write. Where I am going to take it? In KVR. Some other place. I am writing here. What is this now? Here I am writing. Fig demo. Dot what? Py. From where? Figures. Import what? From figures. Figures or figure? From figures. Import what? Star. What is this now? What is the values are available now? R area, E area, R area. I will call just what? R area. You are getting module not found error. Then how do you do this? Simple, sir. Go to that. Where is that? Go to that where 7 a.m. Rosam is the folder there. You copy that address. Copy that address. Go to where? Environmental variables. Environmental variables. SEMA. Edit this. Go to where? Environmental variables. Say what? Select that. Say what? Edit. When I edit it, what you will write it? Already how many paths are there? Two. What is the next one? Third one. What you will write at the end of second one? Semicolon. But here semicolon will not come. Suppose if I don't show this example, what you will feel? Under the impression of semicolon only. Why I am showing third example? Semicolon concept will not come. That's why showing third example also. Very patiently showing third example. You will be getting something different view. Look at edit. What is coming? It is open new window. If I say only two examples, if I don't say you are under the impression that second one, semicolon. That's why I'm showing all the things by the faculty. Suppose I can close it. First example itself I close. If I don't tell the second example, you don't know semicolon concept. If I don't tell third example, you don't know this one. That's why faculty should tell everything to the students. Student read or not, what can I do? You tell me. Sir has to tell everything. That's called good sir. Otherwise, it is Sankarada MBBS only. Go to say what? New. Say new. Here no edit, nothing. Say new. Say new. Once you say new, some new space will be created. A new room is created to place that. Say new. See, there you paste that address. Fourth to fifth to sixth examples will become like this only, it will be open. So that what you will say, new, you will say. So what you are doing there also, like this. So Manasa, sir, explain. Please explain slowly. Slowly only I'm explaining. Actually, Python.sys.path.append morning onwards I'm explaining. So go to this place. Now Rosam. Here I'm writing like this. Say what? Okay. Say okay. Don't close this. Say okay. Say okay. Are you okay? I think you are not okay. Are you okay? Right. So. No. Monday, new topic will start. Going bounce now. Nothing. What is there in bouncing? It's not a programming. It's only folder I'm creating. Monday, new topic will start. Go to the place. Here I'm going to enter into this. This is the one. If I write it again, it will be giving what? Error. So here I'm going to take up, close this, exit, and launch again. So no doubt in that. When I'm explaining packages now,
First time shopping on Ajio? Get extra 35% off on your first order. From the best of Red Tape, Team Spirit, Catch, Lee Cooper, and more. Additional flat 15% cashback.
helmet we get to jump in river only. Because done. Run this code. A beautiful subject. Run. So see that. Enter the length. 10, 20. Perfect. Not only that, you can go for what? Here. Go to Python window. There also you need to exit off. Go to the last and final. Go to this place. Here I'm going to say this. Say here. From figures. Import T area. Import star. Okay, star. T area. What a beautiful subject. 34 output. Yes area. Super. 3. C area. Super. 3.4. Income area. R area. Length 40, 50. Super. Simply super. This is called subject. Then a subject under. Paying on lakhs of rupees in colleges, only memo getting, paper, and keeping in lamination. That is not the way. This is the subject. So, Lalinia. Sir, please donate your brain to me, sir. Okay. Right. Jamshed Khan, my dear student, I'm not going fast, ma'am. Small subject only. It is a small subject. So, I'm not going fast. Am I going fast? Online students, am I going fast? Huh? Yes, sir. No. Am I going fast? Opinion. My opinion, I don't take. Classroom opinion, open secret. So, everybody is saying, no. Okay. P. Hanu, beautiful subject when you are teaching, sir. Okay. All of them saying no. So, Manasa said, sir, little slow. So, Shravan Kumar, love the way you teach, sir. Everybody deserve a teacher like you. Thank you, my dear student. Jamshed Khan, sir, not at all. You have equal mind set to understand. My dear student, if you see today what I'm doing, creating different folders. Actually, I took more time today. 7:48 I'm taking. 7 or 8. Actually, I took more. For 2 sentences, sys.path.append to Python path. Actually, in coding time only, I used to explain a lot more things. This example, this packages, I will carry with further examples also, no problem. So that you will feel more easy. Okay. So don't worry. So Venkat, so I think today confusion is importing from different places and calling from different places. I understood the concept, but I think that what others are confusing. I'm changing my place now. Edit plus to PyCharm to that, etc. Bangalore to Hyderabad to Pune, like that. You'll feel traveling distance is more styled. So, anyhow, students, that I'll go for it. So tomorrow there is a class. Already, tomorrow there is a class. Already. Students in online, tomorrow there is a class. So, Jamshed Khan. So, fine. Tomorrow there is a class. At what time? So, Satar, my dear students. Sattar. Python designed by Rosam. Diamonds designed by KVR, sir. Okay. 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 My dear students, thank you for your affection and concentration on me. So, yeah, Emmanuel, I will tell you, I'll tell you how to create executable file. Also, I will tell you. When you double click, application has to run. I'll tell you. App. When I double click, that application has to run. There is a build file. That is called build file concept. I will explain. Okay, now. So don't worry, student. Tomorrow, what time? 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. Already I intimated in the beginning only. I'll keep the link for you before 1 o'clock today. Okay, tomorrow there is a class, students. All the students in the online must understand that tomorrow there is a class. Okay, don't miss tomorrow class. Thank you. All the best. Online students, tomorrow time is over.